Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the GTAC electronic shop legit of United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Guys, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So guys, let's know about what this website is especially offering to customers. Guys, from the images one can easily understand that this website especially deals with all kinds of electronic products like PS5, Xbox Series X, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12, iPad Pro, MacBook Air, etc. Now let's check some of their best selling products. So here are the images of their best products which are available at reasonable prices, and some of them are available at huge discounts right now. So you can check those products by visiting their official website. Now let's talk about their payment policy. So guys, let's check into it. Guys, they only accept the paper account. Now let's talk about the shipping policy, for which we need to go to the shipping section. Now click on the how does GTAC electronic shop ship your order and how long does it take to the ship. Click on it. You will receive a confirmation email after placing an order, and another email after your order has been shipped. The second one will contain the tracking information and some instructions on how to track your parcel. Here all are the shipping policies about shipping time, processing time. All information is here, so you can check. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints, but before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make much more informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a legit or a scam. So guys, this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Besides this website has been registered on 8th of October 2020, and hence this is a new website and not totally reliable. Now if you want to know about us page, let's check into it. Click on the about us section. So here are the about us page. GTAC Electronics is guided by 4 principles: customer obsessions rather than competitor focus, passion for invention, commitment to operational excellence, and long-term thinking for over 9 years. Here are the full about us page. Dedicated web accessibility experts are available to assist site visitors with any issue accessing content and the various services and functions made available across the GTAC electronic shop website. Site visitors may choose to engage with the help desk to report and troubleshoot web accessibility related issues. Now if you want to know about their contact address, click on the contact us section. Here they does not mention their contact address. but they mention their phone number, that is 587-328-9847. Now if you want to know about their email ID, friends, this is also mentioned here, contact@gtechelectronicshop.com. Now if you want to know about the social media presence, so let's check into it. Here are 4 social media presence, that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest. Now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, let's check into it. Go to the FAQ section, ordering FAQ. What is shipping insurance on GTech Electronics? Click on that. Here are the 3 questions which you want to check. Here they mention our customer services will arrange a refund or a reshipment of your order within 1 business day after confirming that your parcel did not arrive at your destination within its estimated delivery time. Now if you want to know about the customer reviews of this website, guys, here they does not mention their customer reviews, but we checked in Google, there are so many reviews, but they all are mixed reviews, and mostly the majority of the reviews is of negative reviews, like this website is a scam, or this website is not good. And if you ask about the website content quality, is also not good, because most of the part is copy paste from the other websites. So on the basis of above discussion, we advise you do your own research effectively before investing your time, money in such products, and you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you.